Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. My name's Stephanie. What's your name?
I'm Noor Mohammed from India. You from?
I'm from Colorado in the United States, kind of in the middle of the US.
Middle. How is
Yeah,
today?
I'm sorry?
How is today?
Oh, pretty good. It's
Yeah, very
sunny.
nice.
Yeah, it's Father's Day here. Do you guys
Yeah,
celebrate?
today.
Yeah, do you celebrate Father's Day?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. You
Oh.
celebrate?
Yes. Yeah, my after I'm done with work, my dad will come over, my mom and dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you do there? How long working in Cambly?
How long have I been with Cambly? Is that
Yeah.
what you asked? About a year and a half. I took a break though. No, I've been almost 2 years. I took a break. So I took
Yeah.
like a year-long break. And then I came
Are you
back.
working in teacher?
Um, yes.
In
Yeah.
university or school?
Yeah, so I work for Cambly and I work for another company as well that teaches just to China. So yeah.
Teaching.
Yeah. So I teach Cambly, I get to talk to people all over the world, and then my other job, it's just kids in China.
What do you contact
Yeah.
with all over the world, the global?
Yeah. That's probably my favorite part of teaching for Cambly. I get to talk to people from everywhere. But
Yeah.
I do mostly kids on Cambly too. I open up reservations and they always fill with kids.
Cool.
They fill up with children, but I like it. I like teaching the kids. They're always excited to learn.
Yes,
So yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah. In India, do people
Yeah.
start learning
I'm
English?
Yeah, a lot of people learning English and from India.
Hmm. Oh, where are you at right now?
I am from South India in Chennai,
Okay, you're from South India.
Tamil Nadu, state of Tamil
Oh,
Nadu.
okay.
You know about?
Um, no, I don't know very much about India. I didn't realize how big it was until
Yeah,
recently. Because somebody said your domestic flights were
lot of
canceled.
multicultural state,
What was that?
multicultural state, multi languages, multicultures, multi
Oh.
religions. Then
Are there a lot of different dialects that are spoken in
sorry,
India? Are there different
a lot of
languages?
different languages. More than
Oh,
two languages in government approved. More than 600 languages speaking. Hello.
whoa. That's crazy. So there's
Yeah,
like, what is your first language?
Tamil. You know,
No.
that
Oh, oh shoot, my reservation is calling me. Oh, I
yeah,
think
Tamil.
our connection just got stuck. What happened? Oh, well, I have a reservation calling me and you're down to 30 seconds. So it was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.